Thank you, President. My constituency question is for the Minister for Roads and Road Safety. My constituent is a resident of Narre Warren and has been following media reports about the proposed Hampton Park waste transfer station to be operated by Veolia. My constituent is aware that 9 South East councils have signed a deal to supply the proposed station with waste for 25 years. From reports, about half of the 500,000 tonnes of waste that will go to the transfer station will then be transported to the Merivale Waste-to-Energy incinerator via trucks. So my question for my constituent is, will hundreds of trucks be travelling to the Merivale incinerator on local roads in Hampton Park and through Narre Warren, close to the home of my constituent?